before we jump into this haul, we must do a shout out. Let's shout out Maria. Maria decided to use my referral code from Ibotta, and I appreciate you so very much because Ibotta gave me some more money for you. All right, lovely people, let's jump into this haul. The first product that I decided to get was the Degree, and I wanted to get this because it is a body wash and soak. So I thought when I do my feet, I can use this product, and it's lavender scented. This product is priced $5.47 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon in store, so I had to pay $5.47. Now, I did submit my receipt to coupons.com. I made sure I went in the coupons.com app and checked the product before I purchased it, which is going to give me back $2 on my coupons.com app. Plus, there is a $2 Ibotta rebate coming back, and there is some Shopkick points. So for uploading your receipt to Shopkick, it's going to give you 80 cents back, which makes the final cost for the Degree body wash only 67 cents. That's an amazing deal. And I had a any brand body wash rebate giving me back an additional 10 cents as well, guys. Yes. Next product I decided to get was on the Kill Cliff Ignite. This is an energy drink, okay? So this one was priced $2.78 in my Walmart. It didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.78 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost only 78 cents for the energy drink. There's another rebate as well, looks very similar. This is the Kill Cliff Energize. All right, this one was priced $2.78 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.78 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 78 cents for the energy drink, guys. I think that was an amazing deal. Snickers is a really cheap rebate, guys. Had to do it again. Only 88 cents in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay 88 cents. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost only 33 cents for the Snickers Candy Bar. The next product I decided to get was on the Morton Season All. To me, this is another inexpensive rebate, guys. So it was priced $1.60, and I've got to go back in my past hauls because I could have sworn it was cheaper than that. So I think they upped the price, maybe because I've been buying it. $1.60 in my Walmart. No coupon did I have, so I had to pay $1.60 in store. There is a 50 cent Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $1.10 for the Morton Season All. Yes. Next product I decided to get, guys, was my husband's Incognito. Okay, got the Incognito because he likes to have these for burgers. This was priced $5.48 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $5.48 in store. There is a $2.50 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $2.98 for the Incognito. I season it and make it into a burger, and he likes it. Tastes like a burger to him. Next thing I got, guys, was my Kraft mac and cheese. Only 98 cents in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay 98 cents in store. There is a 20 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 78 cents. And because I purchased it so much, I did qualify for my Kraft mac and cheese bonus, which gave me an additional 50 cents. Great deal. Yes. Now, I decided to do the Suave. The Suave was priced $1.83 in my store. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.83, but there is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate for the Suave deodorant coming back, making the final cost only $1.33 for Suave deodorant. And the last and final rebate, guys, that I decided to get this time, again, was my Campbell's Slow Kettle Soup, guys. This time I didn't get French onion. I know I keep getting French onion. This time I got broccoli and cheese, and I got loaded potato. So I'm curious to see what these taste like. They were $1.98, and you must purchase 2 for this rebate. So the cost for the 2 was $3.96. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.96 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $2.96 for the 2 Slow Kettle Soups. I like it because I like the French onion. So hopefully these are going to be good as well. We'll see. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. That Sara Lee cheesecake from Publix, delicious. Got huge strawberries. I chopped up the strawberries, put a little sugar in them, and then put the strawberries over the cheesecake. You talking about something good. I will be doing that Sara Lee cheesecake rebate again, guys. Now let's talk about the numbers. What did everything cost? Of course, I paid for this haul with Ibotta money. I've been rolling in Ibotta money this week, guys. Ibotta has been good to me this week. All right, guys. So the total of everything was $25.76. I did not have not one coupon. Unbelievable, right? No coupons, but I did have a $5 shop kit gift card that I could redeem. So I did do that. That dropped my cost to $20.76. What did I get back from Ibotta? I got back $11.30 in actual rebates, which was amazing. And I got back $8.50 in bonuses, guys. Yes, I did. I got 50 cents for the Kraft mac and cheese. I got $5 for the earning milestone bonus that Ibotta gave me. Only had to do one rebate. And then I got back $3 for my midweek moneymaker for doing 15 rebates. Amazing. This was a great haul, guys. All of this product after the bonuses, after the rebates, was only 96 cents. I told you, I'm rolling Ibotta money this week. Yes, I'm so excited about my haul, guys. I hope you all found this video helpful. Maybe I did some rebates that you guys have not done yet. Hopefully you will. I had actually done these before, but these reset at a different value because I don't remember doing them at this. And my Dewey cookies that I was talking about, the Dewey's Bakery cookies. Oh,
OMG. These darn cookies are good. I bought a rebate, 74 cents for the two. Delicious.
Those cookies are so good. My rebate did actually set for $1. So I know some of you guys said that yours had disappeared. The buy one get one free one had disappeared. So go back and check your app and see if it reset for $1, because mine did in fact reset for $1. So hopefully it did. If you got those $1 peelings that were on the products in store, it still is going to make for a great deal. I'm just saying. Especially if you like the cookies like I do. All right, guys, that is it. Let me know in the comments below of the video what deals you guys are snatching up at Walmart and with Ibotta this week. Maybe you got some Ibotta rebates that Crystal hasn't done yet. I need to be in the know, and of course the coupon crew wants to know. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.